flowers like glacier, pretty like ray tracing. I've become complacent.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a real chill video. I have some mail, some Amazon mail, and I wanted to share it with you all. It is a very chill day for me. I thought this would be a good time to go ahead and try to get this set up. This is a grow light that I purchased on Amazon, and let's open it up together. I'm gonna read the description of the product from the Amazon website. The product is called a Starin LED grow light. It's white. It's a hanging light for indoor plants. It's full spectrum. It has an on and off switch. It comes with a timer, and it has a 21-foot power cord. So I currently have a grow light on the shelf above me, behind me, above me. But it's, it's a little bit of a janky setup, so I thought this would be something really nice to give a try in my living room area that will look much nicer. From what I see, it looked like a knockoff from a more expensive version of what I've purchased, and I didn't really want to buy that. So let's go ahead and check out this cost-efficient version. Here is how it comes packaged. It's very nice. I thought it would be one of those box inside of a box situations, but that's not the situation. So this, again, I like to say this is a pendant light. Oh, so this is the timer. I'm going to use my Wi-Fi plug that I already have set up on my Wi-Fi, and it's on a schedule as well. So I don't think I've ever used a timer like this anyway, so I don't think I'm gonna reinvent the wheel today, but it's really nice to have it if you don't already have Wi-Fi plugs. But all of my grow lights are hooked up to Wi-Fi plugs. So here are the pieces that come with this light. I believe these are the pieces that you can use to hang it from the ceiling and maybe attach the cord to the wall to kind of have a more clean look, which is something I would like. Ooh, this is so much. Okay. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just a fancy power brick, something I'm not used to. And here is the on and off switch here. And here is the light. It's very sleek. It's very beautiful. I love this. And here is what the bulb situation is looking like. Okay, so here it's a protector over the actual bulb or the light source, whatever you want to call it. I've never had a pendant light before. So if you know, there's another brand that actually makes a product very similar to this, but it's very expensive. And I didn't want to get that initially if I didn't like the setup, because I'm really a little nervous to have the wire screwed into the ceiling and tacked up against the wall. I don't know why, but I thought maybe this would be a good trial for me to just go ahead and test it out. And if I like it, who knows, maybe in the future I'll go ahead and try out the more pricier version if the setup is good, if the aesthetics is good for me, even though I'm coming from something that's pretty janky, and it's actually sitting in my dining room of my home. So let's see here. Do not want to mess this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and untie the cable. It said it had a 21-foot cord, which for me is, that's a good length, especially if you're gonna be hanging it from the ceiling. I'm not sure what the cord length is from the competitor, but I don't have that product, so I don't know. I didn't really compare anything as far as the kilowatts or as far as the watts, the light output. The light output for this light did seem like a really good, decent amount. Let me look at it. So this light, let's see, it's 3600 Kelvin, and it's a warm light, which kind of makes me a little nervous because I'm not really into warm, but it has a CRI greater or equal to 90. So here she is. And I also got a 10% off discount on this product, and that's what it's currently listed as of filming this video today. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and get y'all set up so y'all can see me try to struggle and install this light, and you will also see the setup of my old light that I'm gonna take down. So let's go. So here's one of my plant shelves that I have above my dining table. Currently, I only have propagations up here because I have recently rearranged everything in this area. I have another shelf over here, and I did build both of these shelves. I got the materials from Home Depot. These shelves have been up for maybe about 3 to 4 years or so. I have them screwed into the studs of the wall. So let me go ahead and take these down and remove this old light. So right now I'm just simply standing on my dining room table. I'm gonna go ahead and use these drywall anchor screws that I purchased from Home Depot some time ago. These are my go-tos when I'm trying to hang something up, especially if it needs like an anchor and a screw and it just simply goes into the drywall. These prevent me from having to get the drill out. And they hold up to 75 pounds. Can you see that? They hold 75 pounds of weight. So instead of using the supplied drywall anchor and screw that comes with the set, I'm just going to make sure this one is compatible with the piece that I have to use to hang it from the ceiling. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. And hopefully I don't have to get the drill, because I really don't like using the drill when I'm screwing stuff at a certain height. Let's go ahead and see what I can pull off here. And here is the piece that hangs from the ceiling that holds the light up. At first I was looking at this like, what the hell is this gonna do? But I did test it out to make sure that it actually holds the cord and the weight of the light. So fingers crossed I don't come home and it's sitting on the floor. So here is the anchor piece I'm gonna use, and the screw does fit into the piece that came with the light. So that's what's up. It sits really flush against the wall. I love these anchors so much. I just installed it with a screwdriver. It's not even a good screwdriver. Here's the piece that screws into the part that I just hung up. And all you do is just screw it in there. Okay. Here is the light. I'm being very dangerous right now, standing on a lot of furniture with no spotter. So here's the light. I think I'm really gonna like this. It looks like it's much easier than I thought, but I am an overthinker, so makes sense. So all you have to do, can you see? So all you have to do is just insert this cord into the hook. And I want it pretty close to the ceiling, so let's see. I'm so terrified. Imagine someone sitting at this table and the light just falling on their head. So all I need to do now is just see if I want to add this piece here. This is a piece that holds, I have two of these, and this piece holds the cord up against the wall, trailing down to the outlet, however you want to set it up. So let me go ahead and see what would work best. I really don't want to install another anchor, but if I have to, I guess I will. This is so cute. Look at that. So here's the piece. The cord goes into here, and you just screw this piece on, and it holds the cord in place. It's kind of like a fancy hook. Do you see this light? It's super warm. It's very pretty, but I think it looks really nice in this room because I don't have crazy bright grow lights in this room. I'm actually not sure where I want to attach the cord to the wall. And I think I'm going to wait to see what I like, because I don't want to make holes in the wall that I don't need. But I will go ahead and start putting the plants back up on the shelf. So here's the shelf, and here's the light that I installed. I'm going to figure out how to I'm going to see where I want this cord set up later off camera. I don't feel like fooling with that right now. Here's a piece of leca. So I'm just gonna start putting the plants that were already here back on the shelf. And see, this is gonna be a problem. I love this plant. I've had it so long. I'm surprised it's still alive, and I'm surprised that it's only this long. It was much longer, but of course, I'm sure at some point it was seriously neglected. My Scindapsus, I have so many cuttings of her because she just quit on me and I had to cut her all up. But all her cuttings are doing pretty good, I must say. The only parts that are not doing good is maybe the pieces that are not sitting in the water properly. And I might just end up taking those pieces out. But nothing's dying off. This is so beautiful. This plant was so full and trailing, and I had to cut her all up. It looks like she can use a change of water. I've been adding nutrient water. To her, so she probably looks crazy for that reason. This plant is a plant that's just growing in water. It requires so much water. I just leave it in here, and I didn't have the nerve to put a clear moss pole in here, and it's sitting in the water as well. Not sure if you can see that, because she just doesn't make it with me in any substrate. I don't know what's up, but she's very, very thirsty. She always has been, even during the cooler months, she's always been like that. This is so beautiful and soft. The fixture is very beautiful. It's very sleek. I love that you can get a black or a white one, and the cord matches the color of the fixture. So this is what I have. And I'm gonna keep an eye on this setup to see if I like it. And if I do like it, I might get maybe 2 or 3 more, because they're very affordable. This light is only, I think, $69, and that's before the coupon. I'm not sure how much it is without, hold on, let me see. So this light is $69.99, and right now on Amazon there's a 10% off coupon. And like I said before, this is half the price of a competitor that's, you know, way more expensive, but it may be a better light. I don't know. Maybe in the future I will get that light as well and compare it to this one. But that's all I have for this video. Thank you. That's all I have for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope y'all are doing well, and I'll see you in the next video.
Flowers like glaciers, pretty like ray tracing.